How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can transfer photos from Nikon camera to laptop. Now, it's going to be extremely simple. Basically, what you want to do is to grab yourself a compatible USB cable. So in most devices, it's going to be this normal Android USB type where you could just plug it onto your camera and you should be good to go. But if not, I believe there's going to be another cable. Just simply search for the camera's model and then follow up with the USB port option. So from there, you will get a bunch of cables that basically supports this. And what you want to do is to just plug it directly onto your laptop, which will then look something like this. So let me just simply show this to you real quick. And if you're doing this, by the way, you want to make sure that your cable supports data transfers, not just for charging only. So now that my camera is opened up, I could just click on the connection transfer and then it will actually open up on my computer right here. So what you want to do is to navigate through your folders, this PC, and then it's going to be located inside the actual folders right here. So this is my current camera, or I mean, it's going to be this one. We have DCIM, and then I have most of my footage inside this camera right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and of course follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.